Meaning of founder.
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 Founder. A founder is the person who establishes an organization or company. They are typically responsible for creating the vision and mission of the business, securing funding, assembling a team, and guiding the development of the company. Founders often take on significant risk and work long hours to ensure the success of their venture. As the driving force behind the organization, founders play a critical role in its success or failure. Ultimately, the legacy of a founder is judged by the impact their company has on the world.